Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Benton, local, and long distance movers near me. We provide the best options for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. With our help, moving day will become much easier. Whether you need to move just 100 miles away or you need to move more than 2,000 miles away, we have the right services for you. Our team will get you moved efficiently and make your moving day easier. An Illinois moving company offers the right choice for your local move. With a good moving company, you will save time and take away the risk of injury. Lifting your heaviest items can cause injury. Lifting your heaviest items can cause injury if you don't know what you're doing. Professional movers know how to get your things quickly loaded and safely. With a good moving company like 3 Movers, you get a team you can trust. We streamline the moving process so you can get settled in faster and with more energy. Our team can complete even a large move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Benton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.